Here's everything you need to know about Soft 99's Glaco Cleaner. Its formula is a combination of classic glass cleaner with a hydrophobic coating. It's a 3-in-1 product designed to clean glass quickly while providing the best possible visibility. The idea for Glaco Cleaner was born back in the year 2000. We enriched the classic glass cleaner with a hydrophobic additive and put it in a spray bottle. Glaco Cleaner can be used in 3 ways. Use it like a classic glass cleaner. Quickly remove bugs, road film or bird droppings without streaks or residues. At the same time, you will appreciate the water and dirt repelling effect. Use it as a booster of previously applied water repellent coatings from the Glaco line. It not only cleans and nourishes the coating, but also effectively boosts its effectiveness. Glaco Cleaner works brilliantly on a standalone level 2. It's the best choice if you are short on time. Apply it to the glass, polish off the residue, and see how effectively it works. We hope you liked our How to Apply video. For more, check out our social media channels.